welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the newly launched L'Oreal Paris Elnet Satin Hairspray.
Now the festive season is here and the wedding season is also coming up.
So it's a good idea for you guys to have a good quality hairspray in your hairstyling kit. Even though you would be creating simple everyday hairstyles, but using a hairspray will make sure that your hairstyle stays in place throughout the day or throughout the night. Choose a hairspray that is low on chemicals, that does not leave your hair feeling very heavy or stiff, so that you don't necessarily have to wash it off the next day. I will also be demonstrating a quick hairstyle that you guys can use for the festive season and show you guys how I incorporate the spray in my daily hairstyling routine. The hairspray also has a unique micro diffusion technology, which basically means that it diffuses the mist and spray very evenly on your hair, leaving your hair feeling very soft, and your hairstyle can last up to 24 hours.
Begin by taking a side parting and then take all your hair to the other side right below the ear. Split the hair into two equal sections. Take the right section below the left section and then keep twisting your hair like this. It's really simple. All you have to do is keep twisting each section around each other and do it till the end. And when you reach the end, just secure it with a rubber band. Now wrap the hair around from the left, forming a bun. If you have any baby hair sticking out from your bun, just stick it right under it and secure the bun using good quality U-pins from all the sides. I'm going to finish it off by using the hairspray. Hold the hairspray 6 inches away and then spray it evenly all over your hair. Flatten any baby hair, frizz or flyaways that you have. I'm also going to spray it on my bun to sort of flatten the stray bits that are sticking out. And that's it, my hairstyle is ready. So I undid my hairstyle after 3 to 4 hours. So this hairspray really did the job for me because it smoothened out my baby hairs and flyaway. It did not leave my hair too hard or stiff. It left it naturally soft, so I could just leave my hair open and I didn't necessarily have to go and wash my hair off.
So trust me guys, this hairspray really keeps your hairstyle in place and you don't even necessarily have to shampoo your hair off the next day. That's totally up to you. For me, this is a wonderful product. I really extensively use this to create my hairstyles and I think this is something that you guys should have in your hairstyling kit. I also recommend this to my friends who are always on the lookout for an everyday gentle hairspray. In case you guys are not going out or creating a hairstyle, you can use the hairspray to just tame your frizz and flyaway, just how I showed you in the video. I just sprayed the hairspray on my hair and then I flattened out the flyaways and combed it out. That way you can just relax and keep your frizz and baby hairs and flyaways in place by using this hairspray. And for the price, I think the product is amazing because it gives such great results. In case you guys want to know more about the hairspray, the link is in the description box. So guys, I hope I have shared all the information about a good hairspray that I can recommend to you guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share this with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, comment and let me know if you have any questions about the hairspray and I will answer them for you. Until next time, bye.